Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to add your TikTok account on BandLab Make Music Online website or application. So you can see this is the interface of BandLab website. So what you need to do, you need to click their profile icon and then click the option settings, then scroll down, then here you'll see the option TikTok. So this way, if you follow this step, then you can add all the link here. So TikTok, simply click the arrow. So if your TikTok account logged in your browser, this browser, then you have to just click the continue. So I already logged in my TikTok account in this browser, that's why I said they said like continue. It means they authorized. So click continue, and it's successfully added. It's really easy to add it. So if you want to see this icon on your profile, then back to your profile, then you can see TikTok and Instagram. I added to social media link on my BandLab account. So this way you can add your TikTok account here, so your friend or your follower can find you. So okay friend, today's no more, and see you in the next video.